Through ancient stone and fertile ground, I've given life for countless years. You drill my bones and tear my crown, while nature's children shed their tears. My mountains crumble at your hand, but still my spirit will not bend. These roots run deeper than your greed. My strength outlasts your hungry steeds. A mother's love you'll never break. The earth remembers, learns, and waits. Your poison seeps into my veins, through streams that once ran crystal clear. Your towers rise through endless rain, while forests fall year after year. But in my soil